Hey everyone. Today we're diving into why your service business needs a professional website. And I'm not talking about a quick DIY website you slap together in an hour. I mean a real, polished, optimized website that makes people want to choose you over the competition. Ready to find out why this is a non-negotiable? Let's get into it. Let's start with the big one. Credibility. Would you hire a company that only has a Facebook page with a couple of blurry pictures and no contact info? Didn't think so. When people are looking for a cleaning service or a plumber or whatever you offer, they want to know they're hiring someone legit. A professional website says, hey, I take my business seriously. You can trust me. It's like the first handshake with your customers, and you want that impression to be strong. All right, let's get real. You probably heard the phrase, make money while you sleep. Having a professional website lets you do just that. Picture this. Someone's sitting at home late at night and they suddenly remember they need a pressure washer for their driveway or a deep clean for their house. They search online, they find your website with a super easy booking form, and boom, they're on your schedule, and you didn't even have to lift a finger. Why miss out on leads just because they had to call back during business hours? Let people book, request quotes, or shoot you a message anytime, day or night. That's literally money in the bank. I talk to service business owners all the time, and one thing's clear. They work hard, and they do amazing work. But here's the thing. People can't see how awesome your service is if you don't show it off. A professional website lets you showcase exactly what you're all about. Got before and after photos? Show them off. You want to explain the difference between a regular clean and a deep clean? Do it. Don't make people guess why you're worth the hire. Make it obvious. Here's where it gets interesting. Want to rank on Google? A professional website optimized for search engines puts you on the map. When someone searches best landscaper near me or house cleaning in your city, you want to show up. It's a gold mine of free traffic, new clients, and more revenue. And who doesn't want that? All right, here's a little insider tip. A lot of businesses either don't have a website or have one that looks like it was made in 2005. This is your chance to stand out. If your website is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, and your competition's website isn't, guess what? You just became the preferred choice. You're not just another option. You're the one that looks the most professional and the most reliable. And that alone can win you the job. Now, you might be thinking, can I just throw together something myself? I get it. It's tempting to save some cash. But those DIY sites, they come with limitations. They're usually slow. They often miss SEO basics, and sometimes they just look like a DIY job. A professionally designed site does one thing really well. It converts sites into paying customers, and it's going to work well on mobile. Load fast and keep people on your site long enough to actually reach out to you. Don't cut corners here. Those corners could be costing you. All right, we've covered a lot today. By now, you can see that a professional website isn't just a nice to have. It's essential. This is the front door of your business. Make sure it's welcoming, easy to use, and make people want to work with you. Ready to level up? Head over to our website to see how we can help you build something amazing. Something not only looks great, but actually drives results for your business. And if you're still on the fence, remember, a professional website pays for itself by bringing in more leads and more sales. Want more tips to help grow your business? Hit subscribe for more content like this, and let's get your business online the right way.